In today's video, I'm going to be bringing you another episode of Redbubble Shop reviews. I'm going to be helping you guys, as per usual, to see if you can build towards your perfect Redbubble shop. So if you're ready for this one, please do drop a like, as that would be very much appreciated. And with that said, let's jump straight into it. Hi guys, my name is Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. For anyone that's new around here, I make print-on-demand content to both motivate and to give you guys tips and tricks on how you can improve your print-on-demand shops. If you do happen to be new around here and you haven't already, please do click on that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. We've actually helped a lot of people make their first online sales through sites like Redbubble. And if you're the kind of person who's always looking for extra information, I also have a print-on-demand guide that's linked down in the description, so check that out. For anyone out there looking to make this into more of a full-time thing, I also do have a paid step-by-step guide that's linked down below. As for today, I am going to be reviewing your Redbubble stores. There's 5 stores here on the ready to be reviewed, submitted by you guys. And if you want to submit your own shops to potentially be in one of these episodes, make sure to go down in the description and there's a link down there that allows you to actually submit your shop. Jumping straight into this is the first shop we have of today, and it's a shop owned by Kelvin KH. The banner says "Write Creative with Colors." The banner looks pretty cool if you ask me, and they've opted to go with just a picture of themselves, which, to be fair, with the banner that's there, doesn't look too bad. Kelvin here has got 179 designs, which is always good to see. One collection here, I mean, a few collections are usually good, and there's also no featured collection, so this is something that can definitely be added to this shop to improve it a little bit more. In terms of first impressions, from what I'm seeing in regards to the designs do look fairly good. You know, they're trying to make sure that they're staying on top of some niches. I'm seeing some trends in there that I've actually spoke about in videos. And yeah, they've got a lot of variation in terms of their designs. I'm seeing that Kelvin has 76 favorites, so people are somewhat finding the shop, and Kelvin's also following a lot of people, and sometimes this then messes kind of with the favorites a little bit. For anyone on Redbubble who's looking to maybe build their shops to get sales quicker, I never usually tend to say follow a lot of people, as that kind of hinders with the analytics of your favorites and seeing what people actually want more of. Nevertheless, just going through the shop, I've seen a lot of stickers, so maybe making more sticker packs with a little bit more spacing is something that could definitely help this shop out, and maybe even making more scalable designs. So for example, a scalable design would be, let's say, ambition, path to. Here you have success, so this could be changed to glory. Here this could be changed to freedom. It could be changed to a lot of things. I'm going to click on this design right here just to see how they've gone about things. The title says Duck Quack. Now, when it comes to things like this, you want to be making sure you have more keywords in your title. I mean, if I just quickly search this, so nothing shows for duck quack, but if you search duck, you can see I just really like ducks. Okay, this is something that could potentially be added into the keywords of the title, the description, or even the tags, and it's trending as well, so that would allow this design to potentially end up popping up on the list of designs that fall under that phrase. There's only 334 designs. I accidentally just clicked on something there. There's only 334 designs, as you guys can see, and obviously this is under a duck related niche that this person could easily jump into. So yeah, it's important using the research tools that are inbuilt within Redbubble just to improve things like the titles and the keywords. I mean, they've got a nice little description here, but the description is just jump packed with keywords. I usually advise for people to create a description that kind of makes sense rather than just putting in a lot of words there, because that's pretty much what the tag section is for. And talking about the tags, I can see they've got quite a lot of bird and duck related keywords in there, but what they want to do is kind of bring down the amount of keywords they have. I mean, Redbubble recommends 15, but see if they can find trending topics that incorporate the word duck in them, like the example I just showed you guys before. In regard of products, this shop has 83 products activated on this particular design. It's not quite everything. I always advise for people to activate as many things as they can, because it increases their chances of actually getting sales. Moving us on to our next shop, we have Maryport. It's very bright, very yellow, like this t-shirt I've got on, and it really does stand out. I mean, I do like the banner. The logo that goes alongside it looks cute. everything works perfectly. It actually says a little bit of everything. Have fun exploring, which from the get-go shows you that this isn't a shop that's targeted at a specific niche. You will see a lot of things here. So Mary has 149 designs. She's got a featured collection, which is always good to see, and she's got further collections just below there, which is also always good to see. Looking through the shop itself, the designs vary from different products. We have stickers, shower curtains, t-shirt, bed covers. I'm not too sure if she's selecting the product herself. If she is, I mean, it would make sense, mainly because these designs do actually look fairly okay on shower curtains. And with this style of shop, beside obviously the shower curtain styled designs, I would also ask her to maybe start working with more sticker based things. She has 120 favorites, so she could probably tell which designs are getting those favorites, and I would regard her to make more of those designs, as that could potentially lead to more future sales. Looking through these designs, I mean, what am I going to click on? I'm going to click on random one of these masks. So we'll go with this one because I know masks are a product that I've been selling and that we're selling like crazy as well. She's titled this Funny Quarantine. So I wouldn't put mask in the title, mainly because Redbubble edits it for you, and when you edit in yourself, you then have, like you can see, mask. So I would take mask out of the title. I'm not sure if this is like a squirrel or a dog, but whichever animal this is, I would feature the name of the animal in the title, and also check to see if there's anything trending under the name of that animal to potentially add in the title. And like I always say, the aim of the game is to make sure that you are using effective keywords. Scrolling down, this is only available on 8 products. Oh, it kind of pains me a little bit. This is hindering your chances of getting sales in more ways than you think. You may not think people will buy this on random products, but trust me, people buy the most random things. It's happened with me. It's happened with a lot of people that actually watch these videos. They've sold random products just from activating everything. So you need to make sure that you're doing that. And scrolling further down, keyword in terms of the tags, they look fairly okay. Once again, I would still add in things to do with the animal that could potentially be. I would look to see what's trending that's also related to this niche and potentially add that in the tags as well. And that's how you can mainly improve in terms of the tags. But as for the main thing, just make sure you're activating a lot more products, because that's what's going to increase your chances of getting the sales that you're trying to get there. And moving us on to our next shop, we have this shop you guys can see here called, it's either Luca Speedy or Luca Speedy, but I think it's more so Luca Speedy. It's got a bit of a glitchy effect to the banner and the logo. This guy looks like he knows what he's doing when it comes to design. Luca's got 135 designs, as I can see here, which is always good to see. A featured collection at the top, and then more collections just below. When it comes to designs such as this with people on them, if this is like an artist in any type of way, so actress, musician, you want to be careful with making designs like this. You might not even want to put designs up like this, because things like this could potentially get taken down. Text-based things are usually okay. Images are usually okay if you're taking them yourself or it's something you've made yourself. Scrolling down, I'm seeing there's a lot of stickers. We've got some greetings cards. We've actually got the sideways greetings card, which not a lot of people know how to do, so it's always good to see that. Kids clothing showing up. There's a variation of different products, and I'm interested to know if Luca's selecting the products here or if it's on just the default option. Some sticker packs in there, which is also cool to see. I mean, the shop has a very cool and interesting vibe to it. I feel like Luca could potentially even work with trends a little bit more to get this shop up and running, because in the design aspect of things, Luca looks like he knows what he's doing. There's 33 favorites, so a lot of potential for the shop to grow here. This greetings card, for whatever reason, has got white spots here. So Luca, you definitely want to be making sure that you're using correct dimensions as well. I recommend 5,000 by 7,100 on greetings cards. If you want it sideways, it's 7,100 by 5,000. I'm gonna click on this design right here, but it's been titled Burdened with Glorious purpose. This was something that was trending not too long ago, so it's good to see that Lucas is trying to work with things that are trending. If this is something that potentially sold, maybe not necessarily on a laptop cover or a sticker, you could easily make this same design, change the hue and saturation so you have this in a green, a purple, you know, and an orange, just to allow yourself to have more designs out there. Looking at the title once again, yeah, there's a lot of keywords in there, so the title looks about right if you ask me, as it's not too short nor too long. In terms of the keywords, yeah, they've done a good job when it comes to the tags, because from what I can see, they actually did use a trending topic in the tags. And then finally, as for products activated, near enough everything, but not everything. So Luca, you might want to double check that to make sure that you're activating everything. Your style of shop, Luca, would work very well with things like sticker packs, greetings cards. You know how to design, you just need to make sure you're keeping an eye out on the dimensions you design under. There's a lot of room for potential for growth with this shop, and if you take those tips on board, apply them, I'm pretty sure you start to see your sales increasing. Next up, we have, wow, Lavina Shop with a nice banner and a logo that doesn't match the banner as much. I don't know why. Stuff like that always catches me off guard. Banner itself does look good. I'm sure the logo looks good separately, but I would make a logo that matches to the banner. Design wise, I'm seeing 80 designs. There's no featured collection, so that's something that could definitely be added there, just to add more focus potentially to maybe designs that are either getting a lot of favorites or a lot of sales for you. There's more collections just below, which is always good to see. And then looking at the designs, I'm seeing a sticker pack here, which looks fairly good. I'm not too sure if it's attached, as I can see here, because sometimes on Redbubble, on the smaller images, it makes it look as it's attached, but it turns up not being attached. Let me just double check. It is attached there. So you may want to create a little bit more spacing when it comes to this particular sticker pack. But I do like the fact that you've tried to create sticker packs. Some of the niches that I'm seeing in there are things that I've mentioned in my top 10 trends of the week videos. So it's always good to see stuff like that. I can see you're even trying to scale designs from the Legends Are Born in and then changing up the months. I mean, this is great to see. It's good to see people applying the information I actually speak about. It also makes it a lot easier to help you as well. Scrolling further down, I'm seeing you've got 19 favorites. So obviously there's definitely room for growth there. And what I'm going to do, just to help explain maybe how you can better how you list things, I'm going to click on a niche that I've actually mentioned in a video before. And then I'll help you find ways to allow yourself to actually end up on the front pages of some of these niches. So this is a niche that I'd actually spoke about in the video before. So it's titled Legends Are Born in July. So I'm quickly going to copy this title because I'm going to search something up in a moment just to help you with that. Nevertheless, before I do that, you can see there's a description in there, which is good to see. For whatever reason, I'm not being showed. Oh, there we go. So 88 products activated. So not everything, but near enough everything, which is always good to see. I always recommend to activate everything. In terms of the tags, I'm seeing quite a lot of tags that are in relation to obviously this design, and you've added in a few other different months there, which is always good to see. What you want to do though, to also add into your tags, is to see if there's any other keywords that pop up. For example, if we were to just search July, is there anything else that pops up? So July, birthday month, queens are born in July, just a girl who loves Christmas in July. So what you could do, you can then take these keywords. Let's say if I click on this one, I feel like there won't be that much competition. Well, there's a lot of competition, but it is trending. So let's say you take all those 3 keywords I've just shown you that pop up here. You then want to pretty much add them into your tags or even add them into your description in some way. This is going to allow you to potentially rank up on those niches if you get sales in the niche that you're in. There's a little bit more competition there, but what a lot of people don't understand about things that are trending, even if you're not showing on the first page in terms of these top designs or these bottom designs, sometimes some of the newer listings actually pop up under trending. So this little trending box could feature your design, and if it features it and you get sales, you could then end up either here or either here. So that's something for all of you guys just to bear in mind. Then to finish us off, we have this shop right here. So it's called Epic Mums. Now, banner, great. Logo somewhat great. There could be a little bit more blue, but I'm not going to be too skeptical. I like the theme of the banner and the logo. It works. 108 designs, which is always good to see. Featured collection at the top, which is perfect, alongside more collections just below. Design wise, we're ranging from stickers, pillowcases, phone cases to shirts. There's a lot of things going on here, which is always good to see. And I mean, the shop's called Epic Mums, but I'm not seeing too many mum related niches. I'm going to talk more about that in a second. First of all, I'm seeing 254 favorites, which is also good to see. Shows that a lot of people are coming across this shop. And I'm seeing a design here that says the sweetest dad. I mean, you could easily make a design that says the sweetest mom, as obviously the shop is called Epic Mums. All right, there we go. Best mom under the sun. Make sure they're going to click on this one, mainly because it's going to help me to kind of explain a point I feel could help the shop quite a lot. Now, what you could easily do is to try to make scalable mom-based designs. So for example, at the point of time we are in terms of the year, a lot of people are graduating and that sort of thing, and you could scale graduate mom designs. But before I do get talking about those graduate mom designs, I'm going to look through to see how you've gone about your title. So we've titled this Retro Vintage Sunset Mom. Now obviously, to see additional potential trending keywords you can add in there, you can literally type mom. You see sensory mom, moms against white pants, I love hot moms. All of those things are things that you could potentially add into your tags, and they do feature mom in the title. Scrolling through, I'm seeing you've got a description that does actually have some keywords, which is good to see. And in terms of tags, right, so you've put things like retro sunset in your tags. I would give more space to keywords that have mom in them, if that makes sense, as I feel like, especially with some of the trending things I just showed you, they could boost your rankings on Redbubble and even on Google. Scrolling up, I can see you have this design actually available on 78 products. Like I've been saying, always do your best to make sure you're activating all products. And then now to talk about the whole graduate mom thing I mentioned. So if we were to put graduate mom, you're going to see a few things pop up in a second. I hope I've spelled it correctly. So right, so you got graduate mom, so proud mom of a 2022 senior. So niches like this are very scalable. So you could go proud mom of a 2022 and then add the subject and then put senior, or add a subject and then put graduate. So it could be proud mom of a 2022 science or law graduate, math graduate. I don't know, you can be creative with it. Obviously we're in 2021 now, you can make 2021 based designs, but yeah, designs like this will allow you to potentially bring in a lot of sales, obviously, whilst you are in the year. You can always scale them to a lot of different years, or you can take away the 2021 and then put proud mom of a uni graduate, proud mom of a science graduate, you know, IT graduate, and you can scale those designs. And I'm only saying this because your shop is called Epic Mums, and I feel like if you have a lot of scalable designs that are based around moms, that may potentially help. Yeah, I'm gonna end it here for today's video. I tried to actually go in depth with some of these shops, giving you guys some extra tips and tricks you can actually apply to your own shops to give you that extra edge. So if you made it to this point, please do drop a like, as that would be very much appreciated. And if you want me to keep doing these shop reviews, comment down the $, or just write money, anything along those lines. It will show me that you guys want me to keep this series going, and I'll also respond to as many of you guys as possible. Nevertheless, I'll leave it there for today. Always remember that everything is rigged in your favor, and manifest success.